Hey guys, I'm just here today. It's kind of late for me, so I'm gonna be a bit quiet. And because of a special friend I have next to me. You ready? Here you go, Flynn. His name is Flynn. He's my pet bird. Like I've said up from the beginning for a long time. He can't come out on my shoulder yet. He hasn't trusted me. I just got him like an hour ago. But there he is. You okay, buddy? Hey, how you doing? I'm gonna see if on camera I can get it to where I'm petting him. Let's see. Perfect. Now he won't. I hope the audio is not cutting out because I'm getting farther away. Oh. You know what? The mic's under here, so I probably have to position it somewhere a bit better. Like, oh, please work here. Come on. Emma. Oh, that works. Perfect. I'm also ready. So. Sorry about that. Low battery. I'm trying to just rip the cage. Here you go. Here you go. You have to slowly work your way up. Calm. You have to let him know you're not threatening him. Not grabbing you. You got my finger? You got my finger? Not yet. Not yet. We're not gonna get on my finger tonight. Maybe tomorrow or the next day. Or the day after that. Or, so maybe sometime soon. Also, to the cheesehead who left a dislike on my birthday vlog, you're not invited to my birthday party. Okay. You probably don't even care. Anyway, so yeah, that's Flynn, everybody. My pet bird who will always be in future videos because he's right next to me. When he first started, we got him into the cage. We built up the cage. He came in all that chunk over there. That little green thing is cover so we can go to bed and not just sit there all night like it's kind of dark. Cool. But his water dish, food. If you didn't know, he's got one perch, which he was on this perch here. This wood here. This one. Oh shoot. Oh, this one disconnected. Hold on, guys. I have to fix that because. Sorry, Flynn. I'm disturbing you. I don't want that to break or you to get hurt. So there we go. After this video, I'm gonna probably put the cloth over him and get him to bed. Isn't that right, Flynn? I know you're a bit scared, so you're backing off. I'll back off too. He's got this little toy here, which spins, so he'll like that. He's got his little jingly keys here, which I can't wait for him to start playing with. And he's got his ladder. Little ladder here. That's got a mirror. That little thing there is not the mirror, but you can't see the mirror from here. And then he's got that little dangly toy here. A little dangle here. A little dangle. But yeah, so that's Flynn the Bird. He's very excited. I even on autograph. Let's see if anybody else has said anything real quick. I even made like an introductions form, post form, which would be cool. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Shout out to the first person who watched the video. All that. Ooh, I got a like from autism. That doesn't happen often. That's wonderful. The throat hurts. I'll have to go to bed. Maybe drink something. But yeah, so thank you guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good day or a good night. Shout out to the first person who watches the video. And I will see you guys in the next one, of course, always. Hold on. Because tomorrow night we'll have tomorrow we'll have plenty of time to bond. But tonight, since he's all shy and he's probably tired from moving and all that, then that needs to be fixed real fast. Sorry, Flynn, hold on. Carry your judgment. There we go. There we go. It's okay. It's okay. I'm going to end the video here. So again, thank you guys. The ratings, always appreciated, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye. From me and... Oh, this is going to be hard. From me and Flynn.